I'm really struggling to realise where I look in the camera. Hang on. Better? Of course I'm at Sainsbury's. I'm at Sainsbury's because Jacob came home yesterday and said, babe, they've got their Christmas stuff out. He said, I've got inside information. What I posted on Instagram was not half as funny as what he said to me when he got in and told me. I actually made him re-say it, but obviously it's never as funny. So we're gonna have a look around the Christmas stuff. I'm not gonna waffle on because I wanna get inside. Let's go. See, I'm obsessed this year with all the green. I think it's just beautiful. These are beautiful. These are even more beautiful, but what the hell do I need them for? What am I going to buy them for that's going to give me after value? I don't know. I need to think about it, but I really want these. I'm very attracted to them. Now, I bought something similar from M&S last year, but it wasn't as deep. That is a winner. Party winner. Yeah, I also bought one of these LED candles. They're a candle, but they light up around the outside. Total waste of time. Don't be sucked in by that. Okay, Christmas crackers. They are £15. Oh, a honey thing. I mean, why do they put these in? It's just beyond me. Yo-yo nail clippers. This is what I'd want. Crap though, isn't it? Absolute crap. At least it's metal and wood. Now we're talking. So Sainsbury's did, I'm pretty sure this is their own brand. I think it's Taste the Difference. Selected by our experts. Because I watched the programme on it last year. But it's beautiful, beautiful packaging. Absolutely gorgeous. What a great gift. Price? Not sure, don't drink gin, so not sure. I don't get it. I like these. I don't know why I like an apple on my tree, I just do. Here's the cuteness. Stacking elves. Oh my god. Arthur will love these. They are going in my basket 100%. Do you know these are excellent for mathematics, by the way? I'm not gonna lie, I feel like all this is just crap. Just don't get sucked in by it. I have to say, Arthur loved this last year. Hang on. Oh no. Uh-oh. Sounds drunk this year. Santa started early. Now these sold out last year, so if you need one, you need to get it quick. Wrecking the place. They are smashing it this year. I didn't appreciate all their gift wrap and cards last year, but this year they're beautiful. Look at those. Do not be sucked in. You do not do a Christmas pudding hunt. That is an Easter egg hunt, not a Christmas hunt. What are they thinking? They're saying Easter egg, milk chocolate Christmas pudding hunt. No, we save that for Easter. These are cute. Cute candles, like those a lot. Love these plant sets. people would actually do those. I've actually still got my one of these from last year. So we'll put that down as tat, no one's going to use it. Again, don't buy it, no one's going to use it. Just gotta be truthful. Tat, no one's going to buy it, no one's going to use it. Are you really going to make the bag? No, they're not. Don't buy it. Are they really going to do the cards? No, they're not. Oh my god, love these. Need them in my kitchen. Need that for when I start gardening. Gorgeous, love it. Wine bottle stopper, beautiful. What a great little gift. Don't buy people mugs and glasses because they won't go with their houses. Just don't do it, just hold back. This is cute and it actually smells really nice. Already bought mine, feeling smug. Don't leave it till the last minute. Look at all these calendars. Hasn't advent calendars gone mad? I just stick to the usuals. Oh, we're in the gifting alcohol section. Let's have a look what's here. See, I think these are cracking gifts. I would be happy to receive something like that. I would just, you know, either have it on Christmas Day, present gone, or just have it on a random night and then, yeah, just be like, oh yeah, I've got that little Jägermeister. Love it. That's stupid. Absolutely stupid. Hotel chocolat. Wow, I bet that's really yum. Oh, espresso martini. See, these are excellent. I would happily accept that. £11. Perfect gift from someone. Really good gifts here. Alcohol. These little alcohols are such a good gift. Stop it right now. Look, there she is. My gravy boat, £9. I might get these for Arthur. Egg cups. Well, no, we don't use egg cups. I'm gonna get this. Stop it. I'm gonna get that one as well. Smells like Christmas joy. This is cinnamon hell, like full on cinnamon. I also bought these. Don't buy them because this cutter, the legs are too short, too thin, so the dough doesn't hold. These are the plinths, and how ironic that the Rice Krispies are on the end.